how to make a awesome PPT presentation for any topic. See, there are two ways in which you can do it. First of all you have to do is log into Office 365. Here, this is a Microsoft website where by using ChatGPT you can create first of all slides, and after that you can once you can log into this Microsoft 365. Just go to Words document, select a blank document, and whatever topic you'd like to present. See here, I'm clicking blank document. Then I'm going to go to chat gpt and put my topic. Like here I have given you presentation topic for NEP 2020. I'll give a prompt as make slide of 14 numbers. I can give numbers also, and here the goes the prompt. Now this chat gpt will create slide by slide the bullet point presentation for for my presentation. Now what I have to do is I have to select all this thing, all this slide, and just go to Office 365. Here I have already opened it for all of you. I have opened the blank document also. See here it will ask you to register or send code. Now yeah, here I have to enter the code which I have received on my email. I'm going to go to my email, open up my email, and put the code which was delivered to me in the Office 365. Let me find out whether I have received the mail or not. So here, yes, I have got it. So here what I have to do is open this email, copy this code, and after that all I have to do is paste this code in the in the in the in this place. So I am going to paste it. Oh yeah, here it is. And I have to sign in. First of all I have to sign in, and then what I have to do is I have to paste whatever slide that are produced by ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT or you can use Bard or Bing also. All are equally good, but personally I've found ChatGPT ChatGPT to be better than rest of other. Now all I have to do is just paste the things which I have copied from Office 365. So here I pasted it. Now what I have to do is I have to go to file. I'll go to file. I'll go to file and export this thing. I have to export this thing to to PowerPoint presentation, right? So here I do not know why it is not, it is coming as freeze, but I have to export this and it will create a presentation for you, right? I will try it afterwards also. So I have pasted this. I'm going to go to this. In fact I have produced few earlier presentation also. Let me find out whether they are available. So this is a wonderful way where you don't have to what think or apply your brain. You don't have to search for images. You don't have to search for the write-up. Everything will be made automatically. So here, what I have to do is export, right? So once you do export, then it will make. Another way is you can just search out for PPT PPT AI maker or PPT AI for free. Now here are few of the websites, like simplified one is there, VPick is there, which I have already selected. And all you have to do here again is you have to put a prompt. Like this one I am taking it simplified. Now here all you have to do is just put the prompt NEP 2020 and generate AI presentation. All you have to do is you can select the templates also, what sort of pitch you want or what sort of presentation you want, whether you want it very formal or creative likewise, and all you have to do is just put next. And see, the limitation of this free AI is that you get limited credit, only you can make 5 presentation. But here you can do one thing, you can log in with different email ID and again get 5 credits. So here I'm supposed to select a template. Now here I think I'll select this one, right? And all I have to do is uh, ask for generate. So once I do it, this this particular this particular AI PPT maker will automatically search for the content on the web, automatically search for the images, and give me nicely prepared, professionally prepared PPT presentation. So here it is generating along with the images, relevant images. So if you change the prompt, if I put national or new education policy in India, pros and cons, this particular PPT AI maker will make those or generate those PPTs accordingly, and here you can export it. Once it is done, you can download it from here, right? You can download it in the form of images or video or GIF, right? Images or PDF also, right? Here if I click and download, then it will download this PPT presentation for me in form of PDF. Similarly, you can use other website like this VPIC is there. This is again a good website which I've used for so many time, but the limitations is here templates are very limited. So I have used this many time. All you have to do is just put a prompt, like I'll put a prompt here, national education policy, policy in India, India 2020. See, yeah, here the download is ready for us. I'm going to download the earlier presentation. Now here national education, I'm putting the prompt national education policy in India, pros and cons, right? And here I can again the pages here are limited to 12 only, you cannot go beyond 12, it will take only 12. Here it will ask for tone, I'll put it as professional, and I'll ask the AI to generate this PPT for me. Yeah, it is generating now. Let us move to the download which I have taken from Simplified. Now this particular presentation you can give in front of your audience wherever you want to. Now see, it has created an amazing presentation. It has renamed the prompt also, reimagining education, analyze the transformative potential of India's new education policy. It has given few pictures, the contents are readily, it has generated the contents also, and what it has generated almost how many slides, it has generated 11 slides for me. So here this can be presented, you don't have to search for any of the study material. So let us go to our yeah, this is generating, this is vpic vpic, and yes, it has generated the presentation which can again be downloaded in form of PDF or images. See here again it has rewritten the title for me, analyzing the national education policy in India. In fact, the prompt I think was incomplete. I'm again going to rewrite it for you, INDIA. So let us try to generate again. Generate, it is generating for me. See, I have not searched on Google for any of the content. I have not searched on the Google for images. This AI will automatically give me the contents and the images, And if you change the prompt, if I say just talk on higher education institution in NAP, it will generate a PPT for that particular topic only, right? So here it is regenerating because India, the spelling was not correct. So I have regenerated it. It has regenerated the presentation with new images and with new title, analyzing India's national education policy, weighing the benefits and drawbacks. Now it has not taken pros and cons, it has applied his brain to regenerate. See, these are the benefits, these are the drawbacks: universal access to education, skill-based learning, use of technology, lingualism. Then it has autonomy to educational institutes. These are all the cons. And here you can change. You can put your name also as a presenter. You can put a name, your email address, contact number, and here also you can put your name, uh, the name of the presenter. See here, all you have to do is just insert your name, and you can claim this PPT as yours, right? PDIMTR DNC Nagpur. See, you can also insert your own images if you want to. See, here are the photos, right? You can upload the photos over here. I can change the font type and font size over here, if you wish to do that, right? See here, if I want to change the color, all I have to do is select the particular text and go to the text, right? Now it will give you plenty of options to change the font type and font size. Or over here I can go and I can change the color. I can change the color to whatever color I want. It can be done over here. In fact, the font size or font type can also be changed, right? So this is how you make a presentation and download it and present it in front of audience. I hope this particular video was useful to you, uh, and I hope all of you will be making or using this AI for your future presentation. Thank you all for watching this video. Do share this with your friends from other colleges. Thank you all. Thank you very much.